Welcome to our guide on growing potatoes at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, potatoes are an excellent crop for your garden. Let's dive into the process of planting and harvesting. Your own delicious potato harvest. First things first, let's talk about soil preparation. Potatoes thrive in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Start by testing your soil to ensure it has good pH levels between 5 and 6, 5, if needed. Amend with compost or other organic materials to improve fertility and structure. Once your soil is ready, it's time to choose the right variety. Consider what type of potatoes you want to grow, whether they be sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, or even fingling varieties. Each type requires different care and will yield unique flavors. Next up is selecting seed potatoes. You can either use store-bought seed potatoes or sprout some from last year's harvest. Make sure they have multiple eyes per piece, as these will become new plants. If using old potatoes, allow them to chit naturally. That means letting them sit until small shoots form at their ends before planting. When planting day arrives, dig holes approximately 4 inches deep, with spacing depending upon variety size, but generally around 1 foot apart. Place 1 seed potato per hole, about 6 inches below surface level. Cover lightly with dirt over top, so only part of its stem shows above ground. Water thoroughly after planting, and continue watering regularly throughout growth cycle. As weeks pass and leaves emerge through soil, you may notice weeds popping up nearby. Keeping weed control under wraps early on helps prevent competition against nutrients. Available within reachable depths for developing roots beneath plant base. After several weeks post-planting date, when foliage reaches about knee height, it's time for hilling up procedure. This involves adding more soil around stems until reaching desired depth. Hilling encourages tuber formation deeper down underground, while also providing support during windy conditions. Remember, not too much though, as this could smother roots. Now we move on to fertilizing practices. A balanced fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium should be applied every few weeks. During vegetative stages when green leafy growth appears robust enough. Be careful not overdoing it here, since excessive amounts can lead to burning young shoots if used incorrectly. Finally comes pest management strategies. Common pests like Colorado potato beetles can wreak havoc on young plants quickly, so keep vigilant while inspecting daily for signs such as holes eaten away at leaves, alongside larvae crawling amongst them. Organic options include introducing ladybugs, which feed off harmful insects, without posing risks toward beneficial ones present within same ecosystem. Another great way would be companion planting methods, such as marigolds alongside potatoes, that deter unwanted critters effectively. And now we arrive at harvesting season. Typically, once flowers appear blooming on vines, means it's almost time to dig up spuds. Dig carefully near edges without damaging tubers underneath, by gently loosening surrounding earth layers, before pulling entire plant upwards slowly. Separate individual pieces afterwards, and enjoy fresh produce straight from garden. Right then there where hard work pays off. In conclusion, whether you decide to start indoors, using containers filled with potting mix, or outdoors directly sowing seeds outside, after frost has passed, growing potatoes successfully requires patience and dedication throughout months ahead. But trust me when I say results speak volumes once summer rolls around again next year. Thank you so much for watching today's video tutorial on how best practice tips were shared regarding gardening techniques, specifically related towards cultivating healthy, Homegrown potatoes yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. If interested in seeing future content similar, like this one. Plus feel free asking questions below. Should anything remain unclear along journey taken together. Thus far, until next time. Happy gardening everyone involved worldwide. Please share this video with others who might benefit from learning about farming. Techniques behind successful yields, achieved via proper knowledge application.